Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tank accessories is probably one of the most crucial decisions for any aspiring or experienced aquarist, as selecting the right equipment can dramatically impact the health and vibrancy of your marine ecosystem, ensuring your aquatic inhabitants thrive in a stable and beautiful environment, making the difference between a struggling setup and a flourishing underwater paradise that truly captivates. Number 5. PAIZOO Fish Tank Digital Thermometer. Introducing the PAIZOO Fish Tank Digital Thermometer. Its HD LED display provides a wide viewing angle with saturated colors, making it effortless to read the temperature day or night. This ensures you always have a clear view of your aquatic environment. This device features a cordless, stick-on design that keeps your tank free from messy wires. It senses water temperature through an external probe, providing a clean and safe habitat for your pets. Simply touch the button to activate the display, and it will enter sleep mode after 5 seconds to conserve energy. Experience highly accurate temperature readings with this thermometer, precise to within plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. It easily adheres to the outside of your tank, below the water level, and refreshes every 5 seconds. This allows you to quickly detect any temperature changes, ensuring optimal conditions for your aquatic life. Equipped with a long-lasting 3V button battery, this mini digital thermometer is designed for convenience. It's suitable for various water types, including fresh, tap, salt, and sea water. This ensures your beloved pets always enjoy the most comfortable water environment. By providing precise and consistent temperature monitoring, this device helps maintain the ideal conditions for your fish, axolotl, turtles, or other aquatic inhabitants. It contributes to their well-being and ensures they thrive in a stable environment. We stand by the quality of our product with a 12-month warranty and offer free replacements for any defects. Our dedicated customer service team is available 24/7 to provide comprehensive support. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This thermometer boasts a sleek, cordless design with an accurate LED display. Its touch-sensitive operation and high precision make monitoring effortless. If you value a clutter-free tank and precise temperature readings, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The accessory provides consistent water parameter stability. Its durable construction ensures long-term use in marine environments. The design allows for easy integration into existing tank setups. Number 4. SEAOURA 7-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tool. Keeping your aquarium pristine has never been easier. This comprehensive set provides 7 essential tools for complete tank maintenance. It covers all your cleaning needs in one convenient package. No more wet hands or struggling to reach deep areas. Its telescopic handle extends freely, allowing you to clean aquariums up to 2.65 feet deep with ease. This feature ensures convenience and comfort during use. Crafted for longevity, this cleaning set features a robust carbon fiber composite handle pole. It resists bending and breaking, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Designed with precision, it minimizes water intake during use. Properly assembled connections prevent water from entering the pole, avoiding spills when removing it from your aquarium. Whether you have a glass or acrylic aquarium, this cleaning set is perfectly safe. Its versatile design makes it an ideal choice for all types of aquarium enthusiasts. What we like. This comprehensive 7-in-1 cleaning kit offers unparalleled versatility for tank maintenance. Its telescopic handle extends to reach deep aquariums without getting your hands wet. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to keep your tank pristine, this kit has you covered. What people say. Number 3. Tetra Complete LED Aquarium Kit 55 gallons. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to start your aquatic journey. It includes a spacious 55-gallon glass tank with convenient hinged hoods for easy access. The hinged hoods feature energy-efficient white LEDs. These lights create a beautiful, natural underwater shimmer effect, enhancing the beauty of your aquarium. A quiet yet powerful 3-in-1 filter is included. It performs mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration, ensuring cleaner water and a healthier environment for your fish. Essential for tropical fish, a 200-watt heater and thermometer are part of the package. They work together to help maintain the perfect water temperature for your aquatic inhabitants. Beyond the main components, it also comes with a fish net, water conditioner sample, and setup brochures. This 55-gallon tank measures approximately 48.5 inches wide by 12.8 inches deep by 20.8 inches high, offering ample space. What we like. This complete 55-gallon kit provides everything needed to start your aquatic journey. It includes energy-efficient LEDs, a powerful filter, and essential heating elements. If you're a beginner or want a hassle-free setup for a large tank, this comprehensive package is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Agriculture Solutions Salinity Refractometer. Need to precisely measure the salinity of your water? This device is perfect for monitoring aquariums and marine environments, ensuring optimal conditions for your aquatic life. It offers versatile measurements on 2 essential scales. You can easily read both specific gravity, D2020, and parts per thousand, giving you comprehensive data. Forget manual adjustments. This refractometer features automatic temperature compensation, providing consistently accurate readings regardless of temperature fluctuations. It comes as a complete package, including a durable hard case, a dropper, a screwdriver, a user manual, and a cleaning cloth. You'll have all the tools for immediate use and maintenance. Crafted with a main part made of chromium, this instrument is built for longevity. Its robust construction ensures it will withstand regular use for years to come. What we like. This refractometer offers precise salinity measurements crucial for saltwater environments. It features dual scales and automatic temperature compensation for accurate readings. If you need reliable and consistent monitoring of your tank's salinity, this tool is indispensable. What people say. Number 1. API Saltwater Master Test Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for accurate aquarium testing. It includes 6 testing solutions, a color card, and 4 test tubes with caps. It helps you prevent unseen water issues that can harm your fish. These invisible problems often lead to stress and loss in your aquarium. This kit precisely tracks the 4 most crucial water parameters in saltwater tanks. These include high-range pH, ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels. It is expertly designed for use in saltwater environments. This ensures reliable and accurate results for your marine setup. Use it for routine weekly monitoring to maintain optimal conditions. It's also essential to use whenever water quality or fish health concerns arise. What we like. This master test kit provides comprehensive monitoring of 4 vital saltwater parameters. It helps prevent invisible water problems, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. If you prioritize maintaining optimal water quality and preventing fish loss, this kit is a must-have. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.